Hey there, Thomas Frank here. Thank you so much for purchasing Ultimate Brain. This video is going to be just a quick little introduction on how to get started, how to actually get access to our support community, and ultimately get access to your templates so you can start using them inside of Notion. So you are most likely looking at a page that looks just like this, except for that my face is now on it talking to you. And if you click this button right here, Ultimate Brain for Notion, you're going to get an invite link for our private support community on Circle. I'm already logged into it, but you're going to get a invite link where you can either create an account, or if you already have a circle.so account, you can simply log in with it and you're going to be added to this Ultimate Brain space right here. This community is completely free for you. Your purchase of Ultimate Brain gets you access to it, so there's no monthly fees, but you also may see some additional space groups in my sidebar right here. You're going to have access to these if you buy my other templates, such as Creator's Companion or maybe future templates that I haven't made as of this recording. But to get your copy of Ultimate Brain, you're going to want to navigate to the tutorials area of the Ultimate Brain space group in your sidebar, and then you'll see this template link plus getting started guide post right here. So go ahead and click on that, and then there's a whole bunch of getting started information right here, but the one thing you're going to want to look at more than anything else is this Ultimate Brain for Notion template link right here. This is going to get you to the actual template, and from there you can duplicate it into your own workspace using this little duplicate button right here in the top right corner of the screen. There are also some educational resources and support resources that you might want to know about, and you're going to see the biggest one right here on the front page of Ultimate Brain. This is our beginner's tutorial, so I'm going to go ahead and click there and show you what this contains. We have an entire beginner's guide with written, video, and even interactive elements. Many of the pieces of the demo version of Ultimate Brain are right inside of these Notion pages. So while you're reading or watching the video tutorials, you can see exactly how stuff works and even play with it yourself. We also have some more advanced guides on things like special features, so things like GTD workflow, that kind of stuff, and even some guides on modifying Ultimate Brain yourself. If you want to, say, integrate Readwise or add your own new databases into the template, these tutorials are lengthier and they will show you exactly how to do that. In addition to this beginner's guide, we also have an entire support site. You can find that over at support.thomasjfrank.com. So if you have issues or if you want to get some common questions answered, we have tons of support articles here. For instance, on customizing your templates, you might want to know how to unlock your Notion databases. You'll find an article on that showing you exactly how to do that with screenshots and articles. And if you do have questions that we have not answered in our support articles, or you just want to ask us directly, we are in that support community. So you can go over to the support area and ask any questions, and either myself or my support team will get to you with a detailed answer. One last thing that I'll mention before I let you go: if you are a content creator, if you make videos or podcasts or blog posts or social media content like I do, and you're serious about it, you might want to know about my other Notion template, which is called Creator's Companion. This is an entire all-in-one system for managing your entire content creation process, from ideation, capturing ideas, to managing the entire projects through scripting and research and editing, to building an archive where you can track the performance of your content over time. And there is a completely and fully integrated bundle edition where you have Ultimate Brain and Creator's Companion put together. And because you already have Ultimate Brain, you can actually get a full $100 off the original price of that bundled version. So if you're on the Creator's Companion sales page, you can go right down to the bottom, and when you click buy on the Ultimate Brain edition right here, you can put in the discount code BRAINUPGRADE, and that is going to get you $100 off the full list price. I'm only mentioning this now because if you do want to use these two templates together in their fully integrated form, it'll be far easier to start using that bundled edition right away instead of having to transfer your content over from Ultimate Brain to the bundle edition later on in the future. But if you just want to use Ultimate Brain for now, that is totally cool as well. I will see you in the support community. Check out those educational resources and have fun with the template.